Welcome all, and today we're going to discuss inverse use of ADX and MACD. All right, you might have used ADX, that is average directional index, and MACD, moving average convergence and divergence, for a purpose of trading with its natural way of using. Right? What is I mean to say, the way it is to be used, you might have used earlier, right? ADX is used for the finding strength of the trend. MACD is a moving average convergence divergence, the signal line crossover you are trading along with the histogram bars. All right. Here I'm talking about the inverse use of it. Let us see what exactly I mean. Okay. So let go to chart. This is the chart of Bank Nifty October future in front of you. I have applied already ADX with the default value of 14 and 14, and click on these check boxes. These are helpful for me. And for MACD, these are the default value of moving average 12 and 26 with the signal period of 9. Those who are using other platforms can note down these values. These are the default values of MACD. All right. I click my histogram on. Okay, all right. Now the chart chosen is 15 minutes, and this is an intraday strategy. I'm telling you, this strategy not only applicable for Bank Nifty, it is applicable for any stocks, right, and derivatives of stocks, not applicable to commodities and currencies. All right. Why I chosen Bank Nifty only to show this strategy is because majority of trading volume in India is from Bank Nifty. All right. So better to apply this strategy on Bank Nifty. Now what the strategy says, okay, and what is the inverse use of it. Generally we use ADX when it is about 25 or 30, right? That means if ADX is about 25, the strength of that trend is very strong. All right. When MACD is crossing, right, the signal line is crossing, that is when we are taking our trade. Okay. Again, if this histogram bars, these are histogram MACD histogram bars, if they are reversing their direction, right, from this bottom polarity to the upside polarities, okay, that's when we are taking our decision. That is the normal use of MACD and ADX. Now what I mean to tell you is, when price action, now what we are going to do is, we are deciding our usage of indicators depending on the price action. We are going in an inverse way, right? We are looking at the price action first because price action is the king. So price action first, then we'll talk about indicator, what they interpret for that price action, and then we will decide our trade. That's how we can go for a successful trading. All right. Here, what this price action tells you, it is shrinking. Candles are shrinking. And remember guys, when candles are shrinking in itself, that's when they are poised for the bigger movement. And that's the key of any breakout or any successful trading. That's when is opportunity for you to enter into the market. All right. When candles are shrinking, they are, bulls and bears are in very much control. That's when you have to enter into the market. All right. Now what has happened over here? These candles were shrinking for the previous day. All right. The ADX is dampening, and when ADX is dampening, going down, skewing itself, that's when it is going to reverse along with the price action. Now only thing is, you have to find out the breakout, at which breakout I have to trade, take my position. When ADX is dampening, going below 20, right, it is definitely going to surge. It is finding its way to surge and make a momentum itself. At the same time, your moving averages, which are converging and diverging within themselves, are separating out, right, are separating out at this point. All right. So that's when is your point of action. On very next day, when previous high, this is the previous high, I'm looking now for an entry. I found out that candles are dampening over here. They are not, bulls and bears are very much control. And now the action is poised, action is about to happen. All right, now only thing I have to find when it will get fueled, when it will get power, when it will get energy. The reason is, the answer is breakout, and breakout is previous swing high. This is the support, or you may say resistance, in downward direction for this particular script. Again, previous day 15-minute, first 15-minute candle high would be another strong resistance, guys, that you should not forget. When this has been breakout, the stock zooms up. So first of all, what you have to find out? You have to find out the price action, observation of price action. If candles are shrinking, that's when you have to take your position. But after you see that candles are shrinking, you have to observe your ADX. If it is queuing down, it is sloping down, it is continuously going down, that's when it's the time that ADX will reverse. Okay, at the same time, if MACD lines are converging itself, right, they are coming closer, and that's when there is the time that they are going to separate from the signal line. All right, so this is just a hint for your trading decision. Again, I am saying it is not a complete system. There is a difference between system and a strategy. Number of strategy, when get fine-tuned to make a comprehensive risk management along with money management, that is when it is called as system. All right, so for stop losses, you have to put your stop losses at this candle low, the previous candle low. All right, for target, you have to follow the price action. Never keep your target depending on the indicator. The reason is, indicator gives you a delayed signal. All right, here when indicator crosses, the price action already been dropped out so much. All right, so always when you are keeping your targets, keep your target depending on the price action. Now, how to keep your targets? When it is uptrending, the next candle which is breaking the previous candle low, that means the downtrend has just about to start, that time you can book your profit. All right, now if in the live market, suppose you are confused whether to book profit or not, you can do a micro analysis of it by breaking this chart into 5 minutes. All right, that's when you will get what these three candles are doing, which are responsible to make a 15-minute one candle, right? These three candles comprises together to make a 115-minute candle. So if you are confused during live market sessions, you can very much go and micro analysis of this particular price action. If these candlesticks are breaking down, three of it, that means stock or this particular security has started going down. All right, but that's only with respect to price action, okay, not with respect to indicator. That's how this strategy or technique works. Now, to develop your own system, you have to practice it a lot. You have to paper trade it first, time your strategy, apply money management, risk management rules as per your risk appetite, fine tune it as per your trading behavior. All right, there is a trading behavior. Everybody has a different behavior of trading. I cannot force you to trade the way we trade, the way I trade. All right, so you have to find out your trading behavior. You have to manage your system. Take the paper trade profit consistently on paper. That's when your system is foolproof. So number of strategies coming together makes a system. All right, and you have to fine tune your system according to your trading pattern. Remember one thing, guys: whenever you are trading in the market, you are going to trade first with respect to a particular stock. All right, if you want to trade crude oil, you have to trade crude oil for a number of days, so you will understand what is the behavior of crude oil. You will make a mastery of crude oil. Don't go and jump on multiple things at a time. The ultimate aim of trading is to earn money, right? So you have to hone yourself in one script, understand what that script is doing for days, weeks, months. Okay, understand its pattern, what strategy works best, what system works best for that particular script, and keep on trading with consistent profit on paper trading first on that particular script. Then only it's the right time for you to jump with your real money in that particular script and success in the trading. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you very much.